Hi guys. Nowadays, every student is wondering about how to write exams and how to score good marks and everything. So I get a thought of doing a video regarding tips on how to master the exam writing skill. So first of all, the main important thing you have to consider while you're writing your exam is about first of all read the questions and instructions carefully. So whenever the question paper is given to you, just have a look on it and have a brief clear understanding of the questions, and later you start the exam. Then only you can able to understand the answers what you're going to write in exams. And next, the second is about past exam papers to better your exam writing skills. That means whenever you're going to attempt the exam, you just have a look on past examination papers of few years, like 5 years or 6 years, because you can able to understand what type of questions will be posed in the question paper before writing the exam. And the main important thing is about time management. Yes, time management plays a very crucial role because you have to adjust the time for each and every answer. That means you should allocate the slots for the time so that you can able to write answer easily and you can able to score the marks also. And next, the main important thing is about don't skip your lectures. Students, one thing I'm going to suggest you is about please don't skip your lectures, because whatever the lessons you are listening in the classes while the lecture is going on, it will be helpful in your examination time. Like for example, quoting examples of a particular topic, whatever the lecturer has been derived, everything, etc. And the main important thing is about reread it all. So after attempting all the questions, just allocate 5 or 10 minutes for you to revise the answer sheet, so that you have to check whether all answers has been attempted or not, or whether you kept the question numbers or not. So this is the main important thing to get the marks easily. And the last thing is about just do your best, because you should not be panic. If you're panic, you'll forget the answers what you're going to write, and you'll not have a practical thinking at that time also, because you'll be in a shivering stage, and basically you'll not get any idea about writing the answers. So just be free without having any tension, etc. So that's all guys. I think these all will be useful for you to write your exams and to get a good marks in your exams. So thank you for watching this video.